presentation on human eye. As we all know, human eye is a one of the most valuable and the sensitive sense organ. It is also known as sense organs. Human eye is like a camera which contain also a lens from which we can see the colorful world and our environment.
In this is hypothalamus and thalamus is present. This is our midbrain. This is hindbrain. In hindbrain, it is consists of three parts. Ponus. This is ponus. Medulla oblongata. This is medulla oblongata. Cerebellum. This is cerebellum. And this is cerebellum. This is present between our brain, which help us to from the injury, shocks, etc. This is cranium. This is the outermost layer of our brain. My topic is human brain. Mine is simple. Human brain. The human brain is the organ that controls all the functions of the body, including thoughts, emotions, and movement. Parts of brain. There are mainly three parts of brain: forebrain, midbrain, hindbrain. Brain. Our brain is a very delicate and important organ of our body. Our brain is like fruit, consists of three wrappers. For example, fruit is in lunchbox, covered with three wrappers, and these are called Meniere's membrane. These are
compounds are species of chemistry that allows for the formation of diverse and complex molecules. While understanding these properties and types, you can better appreciate the molecular world around you and its significance. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, my name is Armanjit Singh from class 10th. Today my topic is the domestic electric circuit.
Carbonate and silver bromide. When silver bromide gets sunlight, it breaks up into silver and bromide. Those reactions in which single substance reactants split up into two or more simpler substances products are known as decomposition reactions. Decomposition reaction exists of 8 real types. That is thermolysis, electrolysis and photolysis. In thermolysis reaction, heat will be provided to the reactant. Thermolysis or thermal decomposition reactants are decomposed by heat. Electrolysis or electrolytic decomposition reactions are decomposed by electricity. Photolysis and photolytic reactions are decomposed by light.
hand has muscles that contract hermetically in order to push the food forward. This movement of food is called peristaltic movement. Then food goes to the stomach. The muscular walls of the food helps in mixing the food with more digestive juices. The stomach is a large organ which expands when food enters in it. Gastric glands are present in its walls. Pepsin is the enzymes which helps in digesting proteins, and mucus protects the inner lining of our stomach. For class 10, today my topic is a presentation on nutrition in human beings. In humans, the food passes through the alimentary canal to get digested. When firstly we eat food from mouth, then esophagus, it goes to esophagus, then stomach, then small intestine, large intestine, then anus.
We can use fuse and activate. What is fuse? Fuse is the device that helps to limit the current in the electrical circuit. It is made up of a material which has a low melting point. When the current passes through the fuse gets heated, and if the current flow is more than the fuse limit, the fuse breaks and cuts the whole circuit. Other is MCB. MCB performs same function as the fuse, but there is advantage of MCBs over fuse that they trips when the overloading occurs and it is reusable, and the fuse cannot be reusable because it breaks and we have to change after each use. That's all presentation. Thank you.
Too long and the eyeball gets small. Hypermetropia can be corrected by using the convex lens, and in the image formed behind the retina in hypermetropia. Second is but can't see far object clearly. This can be corrected by using the concave lens, and the causes of myopia is excessive curvature of eye lens and the elongation of eyeball. This is also known as nearsightedness.
Introduction of covalent bonds. In this presentation, we will explore covalent bonds, a fundamental concept in chemistry. Understanding these bonds is crucial for grasping how atoms interact and form molecules. What are covalent bonds? Covalent bonds are formed when two atoms share one or more pairs of electrons. This sharing allows each atom to attain a more stable electron configuration. Type of covalent bonds. There are three types of covalent bonds: single, double, and triple bonds. A single bond involves one pair of shared electron. Double bond involves two pair, and triple bond involves three pair. Covalent bonds have distinct characteristics, including low melting point and boiling point, and they are generally poor conductor of electricity. Example of covalent compounds. Common example of covalent compounds including water, carbon dioxide, and methane. Each of these molecules exhibit unique properties due to the nature of their covalent bonds. Covalent bonding in nature. Covalent bonding is present in biological systems. For instance, the DNA molecules consist of covalent bonds that link
Around us. It is just like a photographic camera. The lens system of the eye forms an image of the object on a light-sensitive screen. As we can see in the screen, this is called the outermost layer of the eye is called the cornea, which is a transparent part of the eye from where all the reflection take place.
From various sources like water, heat from a nuclear reaction, winds, etc. The place where energy for electricity is generated is called power plant. Power plant generates power. Power plants are different types like nuclear power plant, wind power plant, solar power plant, thermal power plant, etc. The power plant generates the energy which then transfers to generator, and generator convert mechanical energy to electrical energy. How does electricity reach our home? Electricity reach our home through wires coming from the poles. These wires are called mains. Mains consist of two wires. First is dry wire or say positive wire, and second is neutral wire or say negative wire. The potential difference between these two wires, first is dry wire which is covered in.
Hello everyone, I am Gurman. I am from class 10. Today I am here to make my presentation on topic chemical reactions. Types of chemical reactions. Chemical reactions are of generally four types: combination reaction, decomposition reaction, displacement reaction, and double displacement reaction. There are two reactions also: oxidation and reduction. Combination reaction. In combination reaction, when two molecules are combined and form a new product, that is called combination reaction. For example, H2 plus O2 forms H2O. Hydrogen plus oxygen form water. Those reactions in which two or more substances, reactants, combine together to form a single substance product are called combination reaction. In this reaction, two substances, hydrogen and oxygen, reactants, combine together to form a single substance, that is water. Decomposition reaction. In decomposition reaction, one reactant is break up into two parts. For example,
And third is earth, which is green in insulation covering. The colors of these wires have changed previously. For example, the old color of the light wire is red and now it is brown, and the neutral wire was black but now it is blue. What is the ground wire or say earth wire? The earth wire is the wire which is connected to a metal plate in the earth. It will transfer the excessive current to earth to prevent the surge shock to the applied user. Mains have two circuit: lightning circuit and power circuit. Lightning circuit have a 5 amperes of electric current for lower power consumption devices, for example lights, tube lights, fans, etc.
We
We are gathered here for the debate competition of class 9 on the topic science and technology. There are a lot of advantages and disadvantages. This team is for favor of science and technology, and this team is against the science and the technology. I'm Bhavika and I would like to say in the favor of motion. Good morning everyone. I'm Bhavika and I would like to say in the favor of science and technology. What is science? Science is the systematic study of natural and social life around us, and it solves it by using methodology and advantages. The goal of science is to understand the world around us and to solve problems. Here are some advantages of science. First is improved quality of life. Science has led to the many creations which improved our life, like telephones, laptops, etc. Second is medical advance. Science has led to the many development of many creations that improve the medical advantages.
There are lots of advantages of science. There are disadvantages too. Science and progress, especially the exploitation of natural resources and deforestation, can badly impact the environment. AI and automation can replace human workers, leading to unemployment. Scientific research can involve harmful or untested medical procedures.
Advantages of science. Science helps us in medical science to treat large number of diseases. It allows to develop new technology and solve practical problems. Science is very simple and easy language. Disadvantages of science. Science has created entertainment that can destroy physical and mental health. Science can be lengthy to study and I didn't have any proper answer of any formula that we had done. Science is difficult to value. Thank you.
Making life easier. Science has made life easier through inventions like cars, TVs, planes, etc., which can be used for entertainment purpose also. Improving transportation. Science has improved transportation and faster and more efficient, allowing us to travel to any part of the world quickly.
It can be easily handled by responsible people. Increase competition. They increase scientific discovery can lead to countries and people.
Science has made communication easier, faster and cheaper. Example, invention of smartphones. Science has helped to improve education. Example, encourages curiosity. Science gave us many useful inventions. Example, light bulbs, printing press, etc.
Disadvantages of science. Illegal activities. People can use technology for illegal activities. Health risk. The use of chemical in manufacturing and other industries can make people sick. As my friend said that science has many disadvantages, but we also know that science has many advantages too. As you all know, science has given us education or has improved medical treatment. Science is blessing to humanity. Science has increased many things. Science has increased standard of living. So I would like to conclude this debate by saying that the important thing is to never stop questioning. Thank you for your cooperation and patience.
Development have a very adverse impact on nature, including natural resources, exploitation and leading to deforestation. Second, science has given us technology that can lead to e-waste such as toxic materials and water and soil contamination. Third, science and technology can lead to detrimental of general public.
Advantages of science. Making life easier. Science and technology can have made life more comfortable and easy with faster communication, travel and a high standard of living. For example, air boiler, mud warming and lighting. Second, save time and money. Science and technology can help people save time and money. For example, budget everything. Third is the negative and dark side of the science that scientists have made bombs, tanks and warheads to destroy humanity. Excessive use of technological equipment can reduce the responsibility of people and can cause mental and health problems. It is a rapidly problem equipment that can treat requirement. Science has made our life easier by creating different devices that can be easily used by people. Science has made it possible by communicating with people across the world. Weather forecasting, news, etc. is provided to us by science only.
Science has given us too many technologies that are being negatively affected for illegal activities. The harmful chemicals used in science industries are directly disposed into rivers, seas, and lakes. Science created too many technologies that make people lazy.
So, as my friend Anshika said that science has many advantages, but I would like to tell you all some disadvantages of science. Number 1. Environmental impact. The development of science can negatively impact on nature's natural resources, deforesting and causing pollution. Number 2. Health risk. The use of chemicals in industries can increase the use of illness. Number 3. Harmful disease. The development of atomic energy and harmful atoms can create the harmful disease. Number 4. People become too dependent on technology, which can affect their physical life. Number 5. Science can be used to create nuclear weapons.
Now, I would like to speak in favor of the motion. The topic is science and technology. We rely on cars, bikes, bicycles for traveling. This is innovation of science. We use soaps, detergents for our daily use. This is creation of science. Machines like MRI machines, ECG machines, and even injections are invention of science.
Science trends borders and cultures. Lifelong learning. Science education is a stage of learning. New technologies. Science leads development of new technologies that make life easier and faster.
People can misuse science for their own selfish end. It can be easily handled by irresponsible people. Sometimes it affects our health and our lifestyle. It destroys our simple and healthy life.
Technology is the applications of the scientific knowledge and practice and things. For example, wheels is used in cars. It is help in connected with each other. For example, video calls or calls with friends and family members. It relates fields that work together to advance human knowledge. For example, artificial intelligence.